Welcome to the weekly weather briefing from the National Weather Service in Spokane, Washington. My name is Jeffrey Cote. This briefing covers the expected weather for the week of Monday, March 4th through Monday, March 11th, 2013. Forecasts are subject to change, so do not use this presentation after 6 a.m. Tuesday, March 5th. After quiet weather Monday, we are looking at a return to unsettled conditions. A broad low moves into the western U.S. between Tuesday and Thursday. Two disturbances round the large-scale feature Tuesday into Wednesday, with increasing rain and snow chances. The focus for precipitation remains in the Cascades, the Western Basin, and northern mountains until Wednesday, when the second, more robust disturbance moves in. Moderate snow accumulations are possible across the mountain zones, Okanagan Valley, Waterville Plateau, and Wenatchee area, where colder air is more apt to hold on. Light snow is possible elsewhere. Precise accumulations will depend on timing and temperatures. By the end of the week, a flat ridge builds with drier conditions, but another chance of precipitation returns early next week. Between Tuesday and Thursday, a broad low migrates into the western United States. Two disturbances pivot around this feature during this time frame. The first disturbance comes into the region Tuesday, with an occluding front stalling near central Washington. It will take time for the atmosphere to saturate. Precipitation chances will come to the Cascades and Wenatchee and Okanagan Valley areas by early morning, and expand towards the northeast by afternoon. However, precipitation amounts will be light. The southeasterly winds will help keep colder air in place, meaning predominantly snow at the start. However, as temperatures warm through the day, the threat of accumulations outside of the mountains will be minimal. A second, stronger disturbance comes in late Tuesday night and Wednesday, before exiting Wednesday night into Thursday. Composed of a sharper mid-level shortwave and surface low, the latter which develops over northeast California or Oregon, this disturbance comes up from the south late Tuesday night. With better moisture and instability and overall lift, this will provide an overall better threat of precipitation. By midday Wednesday, most areas will see precipitation. Pockets of convective instability with the broader low may locally enhance precipitation amounts. However, these are largely found in the warmer side of the system. But this could lead to some embedded thunderstorms over southeast Washington and central Idaho for Wednesday afternoon. As for significant snow accumulations, the best threat will be around the Cascades, Wenatchee area, Waterville Plateau, and Okanagan, where colder air is apt to linger. But all areas will see a threat of snow at the start of the period, and again as the system is exiting and colder air moves in at night. As the low exits Wednesday night into Thursday, a lingering and weakening surface trough will keep rain and snow shower chances alive. One thing that adds some uncertainty to the forecast is one of the models tracks this secondary disturbance further southeast, keeping much of the Cascades, Western Basin, and Okanagan out of the precipitation threat, while focusing more of the precipitation across southeast Washington and central Idaho. This is an outlier solution and was discounted for now. Here is a look at the forecasted snowfall totals for the storm system between Tuesday and Thursday. The highest focus remains over the northwest. For late this week into early next week, a weak ridge builds in. The onshore flow and some moisture spilling over the top of the ridge will keep some shower chances going in the mountains. Another disturbance arrives towards early next week for the next broader threat of precipitation. However, the system looks weak, and impacts, if any, look minimal. This is the 8 to 14 day outlook issued by the Climate Prediction Center, showing near normal precipitation and below normal temperatures. In summary, low pressure moves in Tuesday through Thursday, featuring a return to active weather. Some snow impacts are possible, especially around the northwest mountains and valleys during the nighttime and early morning hours. Drier, milder weather returns for the end of the week. If you would like to give us some feedback on our presentation, send us an email. Here is how you can stay informed on and get the latest information from the National Weather Service Spokane Forecast Office. Our forecasts and products are available on our website, weather.gov/Spokane. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to us on YouTube. And as always, you can listen to us on NOAA Weather Radio. Thank you for tuning in for this weekly weather briefing. Please do not use this information after 6 a.m. on Tuesday, March 4th.